using YouTube as a bit of a dumping ground, as a bit of a video server, and there was no strategy underpinning all of that. It became pretty obvious to us that we had new and younger audiences that we needed to reach with our key storytelling, and YouTube was a natural fit for us.
We noticed one of the videos that already existed on our channel was performing really well. It was a Victorian cook at Rodsworth Hall, so we decided to take that kind of experience and magnify it, and our Mrs. Crocombe video series was born.
Well, hello. We must get on. It's Shrove Tuesday, and there's pancakes to make.
We chose pancakes as our first episode for the cookery series, and that was based on the analytics we could see from Google, and our instincts were correct because the viewing figures on the video were excellent.
Using YouTube's analytics suite, we managed to look at where high trending topics were, such as cookery or gardening or makeup, and then match those against historically accurate storytelling.
Today, we're going to explore Elizabeth I's iconic look.
We've been absolutely blown away with the way our videos have been performing. In 2015, we were reaching probably around 25,000, but now we're at the point where we're reaching over 2 million people every month, and we've got over 400,000 subscribers.
And it's been an increasingly important part of our revenue strategy as well. So that means that we can offset some of the budgets that we've got as a charity. We need to ensure that next year's members and next year's donors, that we can engage with them and make them aware of what English Heritage's role is. YouTube enables us to do that.